Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Ian is a Weirdo. Today is day 9 of 31 projects of Halloween. So I'm super excited. We're almost a third of the way through. I can't believe it, but I also can because I'm tired. So let's see what is in the magnificent Great Pumpkin. Looking for 9. Oh no. Or maybe, oh good. So this one has 2 in it. There are 2 spots that have 2 um, pieces of paper in there. So, forgot that this was happening. So, the words are UFO, okay, and mummy. um, okay, so I have a vision of a painting where a UFO is like over one of the Great Pyramids of Giza and is like sucking out a mummy. I don't know why that's so funny to me. So, also, I could do a painting where it's like hieroglyphics, but not hieroglyphics, because I know those are like letters. You can't mess with letters. But um, like the wall art depictions that you see on like tombs and stuff like that. You know how they tell the story of that person's life. And what if there was like a mummy, sorry, an alien, um, it's not quite UFO, but it is alien. So, or I could sculpt a mummy, mummy alien in the I could crochet this where I just do like the body shape of an alien and then um I crochet like white bandages to go over it, so that it's clearly an alien underneath there, but um yeah, that's these are 2 interesting ones. Really had kind of hoped to get these 2 individually, but I just mixed them up in my hands and started putting them in places. Um, so UFO and mummy. Um, all I can think of is probing. uh, What could I do? What if I had like a little clear container? This is. Okay. I'm gonna write it down, but I don't think I will be able to have time to do this with crochet. So a clear container with a mummy inside, and then there's like aliens like pressed up against the glass, like looking at it like, ooh, what's this? Or I feel like I'm missing an obvious thing where like, there's conspiracy theorists who believe that the pyramids were built by UFOs and mummies. So, what if how would I do this? I'm just gonna write UFO building pyramid. Okay, so mummified alien on exam table. I don't know what to do with that. It seems like something that would be just another painting. This one's really lending itself to being painted. But I do have that crochet option or sculpting. I really don't want to sculpt, but I will if I have to. So let's see. I think those are all that I can think of right now, which to me is surprising because when I pulled these two, I was like, what? What? I pulled the first one out of the thing and I was like, oh, there's another one. Wait, there's another one? And then it was like, it took my brain a while to catch up and be like, oh shit. This is gonna be harder. Okay. It's harder, but it's more interesting. It creates something that I probably wouldn't have thought of otherwise. So we just had so many ideas to fit in the pumpkin that that of course, Juju, what should we do? I think Juju might have been an alien. I mean, it wouldn't surprise me. He gives me alien vibes. So I don't know. We'll see if Mel has any ideas, and let's let's see what happens.